My name is Doliotis, and, being from the late Silurian, I am the earliest fossil shark which is completely known, and the first one who is known to have had teeth. It seems that there might have been sharks, or at least shark-like ancestors, prior to this point, but scales and other remains have been found without teeth, and so it seems that the first sharks actually lacked teeth. But I have teeth, and so do the sharks from this point on.
I am Clado-Salash. I measure up to 2 meters in length, so I am a shark predator in the Devonian, although not quite as impressive as some of those placoderms which can reach 10 meters in length. I don't possess claspers, and so how I reproduce is a bit of a mystery, perhaps even through internal fertilization. My jaw is not as strong as later sharks, but nevertheless, I am a common predatory shark in the Devonian seas.
I am Xenocanthus, and my group of sharks is interesting. We first appear in the Devonian, but we actually don't disappear until the Triassic, so we survive that mass extinction at the end of the Paleozoic, unlike most groups of Paleozoic sharks. Also, I could be found in fresh water. The bony fish had not diversified much by my day, and so I am a major predator in fresh water, the xenocanth sharks.
I am the shark Hybotus. I first appear in the late Paleozoic, but unlike most Paleozoic sharks, I survived the mass extinction, and then I survived during the entire Mesozoic era alongside the dinosaurs. I am perhaps 2 meters in length usually, and can be recognized by my prominent fin spines and the different types of teeth I possess, which allow me to eat a variety of foods. I am more closely related to the groups of modern sharks than most of those from the Paleozoic. I am Paleospinax from the early Mesozoic. I am significant because I am an early member of the group of sharks which survives today. None of these sharks existed in the Paleozoic, so we have our origins in the Mesozoic. We have shorter jaws, a mouth which is positioned more ventrally as opposed to the tip of our heads. This probably suggests that we rely on taking multiple bites out of our prey to cut and chop as opposed to trying to swallow them whole as earlier sharks relied on. The vertebral column is stronger with more cartilaginous elements around the notochord. So, I am the beginning of a new group of sharks which survives until the modern day.
I am Megalodon. I am the size of the modern whale sharks, 40 feet or so. And, as a cousin of the great white sharks, I am arguably the largest predatory shark in history. I exist in the Cenozoic era, early on, when mammals are experimenting with becoming whales and elephants, and many of these early forms lived near water, where these large mammals encounter me.